Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I am going to show you how to get Apple Music Replay. So let's get started. So now here we are in our settings because the first thing that we would need to do is to make sure that our device is updated to the iOS 18. So once you're sure that your device is in iOS 18, you may now go into your Apple Music app. So I'm just going to go there right here, and from here in the home section you should now be able to see your replay here at the bottom. In my case, I can't find it because I haven't played any song in this account yet, so it's in my other phone. And if you can find it here, then another method is that you can go into your browser and go into replay.music.apple.com. And then from here, simply just tap on the jump in button, and it would require you to log in. But in my case, I am currently logged in, so it doesn't require me anymore. But in your case, you would need to provide your login details. So from here, you will now be able to see your replay right here. But in my case, again, I didn't play any song here in this account. So as you can see, December replay is still in progress right here in my case. So yeah, this is basically it on how you can get Apple Music Replay. Thank you for watching.